Ever wondered how modern marketers manage to produce loads of video ads without needing huge production teams? Today, we're taking a look at a tool that's been designed to streamline the whole advertising workflow. We'll be exploring how its features work in real-world situations, focusing solely on the technology and how it all operates. All right, everyone, we're here on Creatify.ai. I'm absolutely buzzing about this video. This AI software is honestly incredible. Just take a look at some of these videos. They're all generated by AI. But let me know what you think in the comments. These look absolutely spot on, 100%. I honestly can't even tell they're actually AI generated. So the main website shows you all the different features of what Creatify.ai can do. It's great to see they've got that compliance and trust across the industry, and that industry standard most AI software would have. So it's all about creating AI ads that genuinely work, that actually convert, and that can really help scale your business in a positive way. So we're now in our actual dashboard here, logged into our paid account, and we're going to show you the features here. They've got everything: asset generators, video editors, ways to actually track your competitors. You can even see live ads here that are already performing well. So you can get direct inspiration from things that are already proven to work. It's not always about reinventing the wheel. You can come up with the same successful product that clients are already buying on the market and simply brand it as your own. It's really about the branding, how good it is, how much it stands out to your actual clients. So whether it's video, image, or audio, you can do it. So we've currently got this set to text to video, but of course you can also do image to video and video to video as well. There's also an AI enhanced feature available. And again, this is our asset generator here. As you can see, you can swap that around as well. You can go from image to image, text to image, if we're just working with images. And as I mentioned, 11 Labs Music V2, text to speech or text to music, is the audio capability of Creatify right here. You've also got the avatar video, which is really cool as well. It's a little feature I've had a bit of a play with before. So you can choose an avatar from the library, and you can also drag and drop your own. There are some really good ones here. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. To me, these look a bit like real people. This is on the Pro version, of course. There are free version features as well, but you need to go Pro to use some of the better ones. So we're going to upload this avatar now. We're going to show you something basic that we can create. It's Austin's voice there. The music and voice audio will be 11 Labs V3. We're going to put our script in here. Meet AirPods X. They're talking about some AirPod style speaker things here. So let's get AI to generate the script for us here. We'll pop that in and make it. I think we'll do it as a promotional. So let's go ahead and generate it and see what we come up with here. We're going to make the AI script. I might pay Ferdict for a scones downstairs. Right, okay. You can change the actual composition of the shot. That's going to be for short form video, 9:16, 11:16:9. It's going to be for long form. We'll keep it at 9:16 and let's go ahead and generate the video.
Imagine hearing every layer of...
Is it bigger so you can see it?
Does it tell you? AirPods X wireless earbuds blend immersive sound with quiet clarity thanks to advanced noise cancellation and precision call technology. Their lightweight design gives you lasting comfort from sunrise to sunset. Perfect for work, study, or on the move. Stay focused, stylish, and effortlessly in tune with your world. Start now. Choose AirPods X and experience the joyous sound crafted for every moment.
I mean, that's absolutely spot on, but let me know honestly what you think about that in the comments. You can go ahead, download it, edit it, do more with it, save it as a template, or duplicate it. Move it into the folder or delete it. If you're not happy, share it on social media. IG, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, or X. You can do all of that. But I reckon that was pretty damn impressive in my opinion. You can also share your actual product link here to generate a video. You can analyze the URL or choose from an existing product. So here, this is just to give you an example with the Apple AirPods here. The AirPods Pro 3 for Apple, that's going to be the actual product name. It gives us the entire product description and automatically provides all of the assets. So look at this, it's already just automatically pulling in all those assets. You don't have to do any of the work, it's just drag, drop, click, generate. Wait a little bit. When I say a little bit, I mean just a few seconds. Make a few slight tweaks and you can be completely creative without having to worry too much about the nitty-gritty. Let's just go ahead and let that generate. So we're going to choose that script. So we've got the different types of scripts here, before, after, if we want. We've got feature showcase, all sorts of different types, depending on what kind of ad we want to generate. And you can have several different types of ads because it might attract different kinds of clients. A lot of people will probably want to see a before and after. You can generate more scripts. If you're not happy, just go ahead and actually choose the avatar. So we can also use a smart AI match feature, which will actually match the script and the product style to the suitable avatar. I think that's an absolutely fantastic feature that I haven't seen in any other AI software. This is Samantha. She's just in a living room. So it could be quite a good fit, potentially. Samantha. Maybe we should use her so we can select Samantha. Yep, I think we're happy with that. And perhaps Stefan, just for the male version. So we're sort of looking at the two different genders there, giving an option for both. I think that's going to be quite powerful. Just two casual people. Handsome looking, pretty looking. What more do you need? 13 videos generated. Select one or more to actually render and have a look at that. Just like that, bang, it's given us the videos. So let's actually just have a look through here and see, have a check. And I like how they're not too serious, just the casual vibe. Stefan's there at Starbucks, and the lady is just in a kitchen, in a bedroom, super chilled, right? You can render 4 videos if we're happy with those. It shows you how many credits you need, and bang, these are all rendering in real time. Considering the workload that has to go into these, they're actually rendering very quickly, which is very impressive.
Your AirPods Pro 2 have just become obsolete. AirPods Pro 3 cancel twice as much noise and now track your heart rate. Seriously, your workout has just got a built-in code. These track heart rate and calories burned in real time with Apple's smallest ever sense. Throw in IP57 water resistance, 8 hours.
That's good, water resistant.
And a spatial audio setup that makes every song feel live. One upgrade, 0 compromises. Grab the AirPods Pro 3 Amaze.
This is actually making me want to buy these AirPods because I think I've got the Generation 2. I mean, that's a really good ad because that actually got me excited. I actually forgot I was even doing a review.
AirPods can cancel twice as much noise and track your heart rate. Seriously, the workout's got a built-in input. These track heart rate and calorie burn in real time.
That's mad, tracking calories. This is actually drawing me in, and I'm the one making the ad. I'm convinced. I don't know about you lot, but let us know in the comments what you think. That's really impressive. So in the agent section as well, you've got the AI agent where you can go into creative mode or performance mode. You've got the chat there that you can set up. You can ask it anything about your ads here. So it's got everything to help you. I mean, blimey, AI has really come a long way, hasn't it? Let's just have a look. We can put a prompt in there about the watch. It's going to refine everything. Look at this. It gives us background music automatically. It gives us the hook, the visual. It breaks down everything about the ad first, gives us the images that are going to be used. Looks good. Casual. Nice. And here's the video.
Most watches tell time. This one commands it. Expertly engineered for the individuals who own and lead
every moment. Nice, that's a really good ad. Again, that was just all done through the thought process of the AI agent. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? I think that's super impressive in my opinion. Really good, really stylish. The sound was on point because I wasn't even thinking music or sound like. It just sort of made sense to me. Now we want to build an overall campaign like for the AirPods here. The agent is doing the breakdown here. It's sorting everything out for us, getting everything set up. All the different sections here, automations for can work it out from there. Just a basic template, you know, daily report, morning pacing, checks, everything's here. What's really cool is you can actually connect your other social media accounts too, whether it's TikTok, Google, Meta, OpenAI, everything can be connected and customized. You've got this competitor tracker, which is really good. So you can actually have a look at your competitors' ads and you can use that as inspiration to help create your own ads. There's nothing wrong with that. We're not copying or infringing copyright. We're just seeing what's working for the competitors and using it as potential inspiration to create our own and make it even better so that we end up getting more sales for our business. It's got all the different top selling materials, the different items, everything. It goes into really thorough detail about the different brands and just shows exactly what's working. So I love that. The avatar library as well, over 1,500 different avatars. That is absolutely astonishing. So you've got everything there. I mean, Creatify.ai ads that win. Honestly, I can't see why they wouldn't win. This is just brilliant. You've got the new agent, you've got AI models, whether it's a clone asset generator, the media buyer, the AI ad library, the ad launcher, or that competitor tracker we showed you. You can book a demo, go ahead and create your very first ad. You don't even need to enter your credit card to get started. Check out the link in the description to explore Creatify.ai's platform and try out their automated AI ad creation tools for your next campaign. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Have a great day.